So yes sir, man, today we got some big time sleepers. We got some low key, high key in my opinion, heaters. We gonna get to those and some pushbacks, man. We gonna talk about it all here today, man. So lock in with your boy Jay, hit that thumbs up and let's get to it. YouTube fam, what's going on with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is here back to hit y'all with some more of this daily sneaker content, man. Hopefully y'all are vibing out, y'all are feeling good. Y'all might be watching some playoff basketball, man. Real quick, comment down below, is your team in the playoffs? And if your team is, let me know what team it is, and let me know how far y'all think they gonna get, man. Keep it real with yourselves. I know it's your team and all, but I need to know who y'all think gonna win it, where your team gonna land. And my team, Miami Heat, you know, I don't think we gonna make it past the second round, but that might be me just lowballing my team, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. I don't think they're gonna make it past the second round because you know, we dealing with some injuries and we ain't playing our best basketball. But that's my opinion on my team, you know what I'm saying? Let me know about your team down below in the comment section. But outside of that, man, today I do want to talk to you guys about a couple things. Before I get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, you know I gotta let y'all know. Well, you might not know because it's your first time, but if it's your second time or whatever, you done heard me say it before, man. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Join the family, and if you do become a member of the family, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know that you are new so I can welcome you in the right way, you know what I'm saying? But outside of that, salute to the OGs and everybody who has been rocking with your boy, man. It's truly appreciated as always. But if you guys checked out my video from yesterday, you know what is going on this week in sneaks, and you know I spoke on something that recently changed, y'all. I want to bring it up right now. I got to start the video off with it and let y'all know that the date has been changed, y'all. Yes, a change of date. Whew. Interception. Bang, y'all. The Diamond Turfs, man. The Dion joints, man. So this shoe, y'all, believe it or not, y'all, it has a lot of demand behind it, man. A lot of people want to get their hands on these shoes. Is just Nike retros, like football, just Nike regular shoes, even basketball. Like, are those type of shoes back? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised because for the last couple of years we've been seeing the same thing over and over and over again. So, you know, shoes like these I feel like are starting to be appreciated a little bit, man. But a lot of people do want to get their hands on these. I did mention yesterday these will be dropping this week. Nike said so while I was editing my video from yesterday, I did see that these got pushed back to June, bruh. Like June. So these, I think, have been pushed back. Like, this might be the second time, and this pushback is big because it's not even happening next month. It's happening in 2 months, man. So comment down below how you feel about the pushback of these, man. I know a lot of people in the comment section was bringing up the fact about the pushback of these, and it was really one of the shoes that a lot of people were talking about getting their hands on, man. But the Diamond Turfs, I guess I don't have to rush to get the on feet out that soon. Maybe I need to wait closer to the release because whenever I release them too early, it kind of gets lost in the sauce because people know that they really ideally can't get their hands on it for a couple months. So I'm gonna wait around. We'll come back to these in a month and a half or so. But yeah, man, for those of y'all who wanted them, man, they getting pushed back. But outside of that, I do want to talk to you guys about today, man. I need your feedback. I need your thoughts on this topic, y'all. So today we had the Jordan 3 Georgia Peaches released. Yeah. Now the Georgia Peach 3s, y'all, is not a sleeper of a shoe. It is not a bad shoe by any means, y'all, but that's not a good look, man. Y'all comment down below. I need you guys to chime in on this right now. Do you guys feel that putting the W, the women's branding on these Air Jordan shoes, does that hurt the shoe altogether? You know what I'm saying? Because everybody is not comfortable with wearing a shoe that has a W on it. Like I said, I'm comfortable wearing it because I'm comfortable most of all in my sexuality. I ain't got to question myself. And number two, I know that the shoe itself was designed for a male. So this is a male shoe, you know. So I don't let the, you know, the branding or the letter that they put on the shoe steer me away from not getting the shoe. But you know, everybody don't think the same, man. But comment down below, y'all. Of course, a big issue with them, we do not get them in extended sizes, and the proof is in the pudding, y'all. What are the only 2 sizes that have sold out? The 2 most biggest sizes, y'all. And I feel like I said, man, call me sexist, and I'm not sexist at all, but just facts are the facts, you know what I'm saying? I feel like when it comes to sneakers, males do dominate the sneaker game, and males do set the precedence on what is hot, what is not, you know what I'm saying? So if you do not have that male or the hype from the males, you know what I'm saying, that's letting the women know, hey, what's hot, because women really don't be caring about it. Let's keep it a buck. There's a few y'all out there, I'm not talking about y'all who, you know, who are tapped in, but I would say a majority of women out there, they care less about shoes, you know what I'm saying? Nope. So they normally will go by what someone else says. If not, they'll just go out and get a pair of mids, call it a day. You get a pair of Chicago mids or a pair of off-white Chicago ones, they might pick the mids over the Chicago off-whites because they're like, it's the same shoe, it's cheaper, it's the same exact shoe. I'm not gonna buy X, Y, and Z when it's the same exact shoe, and they'll swear up and down it's the same shoe. But you get my point that I'm trying to say, man. But this shoe right here, which released today, man, $200 price point, I think would have sold so much better if this was a full family size shoe, like to the point where, I mean, there would only be maybe like smaller sizes left, like I want to say like maybe a 6 and under. Like, talking back to my video, my recent video of when I did go to Charleston, South Carolina, y'all, I did bring up how I did see the Jordan 1 satin breads in the outlets, y'all. So that was mind blowing to me to see those at the outlets for $129, y'all. Like, we're supposed to be getting the bread Jordan 1 high 85s in 2025. Will those sit? Comment down below, man. Like, will those sit? Now, in that same note, if that shoe releases women's exclusive high 85 cut Jordan 1 bread, do you think that shoe is going to the outlets? I might gotta say yes. Just because I feel like that letter on the shoe does that much damage to the sales of the shoe. But like I said, y'all, I'm not mad at it. Hey, if you guys gotta, you know, do something separate for the ladies, keep doing what you're doing. But I feel like as a whole, you hurt the whole entire shoe, because these are nice. I don't care what nobody tells me. This is a nice shoe, man. And I think, like I said, if this was a full family size shoe, we would have seen way better results when it came to the selling of these, man. But y'all comment down below, did anyone cop these today, y'all? I know, of course, the sneakers app is one thing. Really, that's the first place we all kind of give a scale of whether a shoe is hot or not, because I mean, really, sneakers app, if they don't sell out on sneakers app, I mean, you can really give up. You know for 100% they're gonna be found in stores and everywhere else, you know what I'm saying? So to see them on the sneakers app, full family, well, full size run basically, except for of course the 11.5 and 12W is kind of just like, wow, you know what I'm saying? But I got them, I like them, you know. I don't know if I'll keep them. I got shattered backboard 2.0s, and that's what vibe I get from these. But we'll see where this goes, man. But those did release today. I did want to bring that up, and I do want to hear your feedback on how you think about the W, just the parentheses and the W. Does that hurt a shoe? But outside of that, man, I do want to talk to you guys about a shoe that I got that W on, man. Of course, I told y'all my W streaks have been going crazy, as well as I want to talk to you guys about a shoe that I know a lot of you guys want, that you have the chance to get them for retail. Let's get into it. Oh, another one. Yes. Bang, man. Yes, sir, man. Boxes have just been rolling in. W's have been rolling in, man. Your boy Jay did get a dub on this one, man. Shout out to, yes, Secret Sauce, man. Shout out to Secret Sauce. Okay, the shoe that I showed y'all earlier in this video, yes, these very limited shoe, took the dub on those. No secret how I took them, because the cat is out the hat. Secret Sauce, y'all. Secret Sauce is a group, a community group that helps you in several different ways, y'all. Whether you guys want to make a little extra money, pick up some extra shoes, extra, like anything that's pretty much limited that you can find value in and resell, they help you with all that, you know what I'm saying? And they do have, of course, a team that is designated to walk you through the processes of how you can secure dubs on items such as this and everything else that you might find limited that sells out. They got you over there, man. They do have a setup membership though, where you have to pay a fee once a month. They got 3 levels. Of course, the 3rd level is of course the highest level, which guarantees you one limited height shoe, maybe a Travis Scott or Futura Dunk. It guarantees you that shoe for retail. You get 1 shoe per month on that, of course, highest elite program. But outside of that, y'all, the first 2 programs, it does give you all the early access links. It gives you, of course, shot drop info. It gives you stock numbers. It puts you in the right places that you need to be in order to secure shoes that sell out. And like I said, not only shoes, a whole bunch of other items, man. So tap in to Secret Sauce. And like I told y'all, I'm gonna help y'all get a pair of limited shoes for retail because they are running a special right now at the point of me making this video, y'all. You only have about a week left though, but if you guys join the premium membership, which is the 2nd membership, if you join that membership within now and I want to say around May 2nd or so, you are guaranteed 100% a retail pair of the Jordan 4 Military Blues. Bang! No, I did not stutter. Yes, you heard it right. You are guaranteed a pair of Military 4 or Industrial Blue 4s for absolutely retail, not a cent over, y'all. So anyone who joins and becomes a premium member, you will start off with getting a retail pair of the Jordan 4s, as well as you'll get a whole bunch of knowledge and early links to shoes that you can easily get and flip, man. Shout out to the person who hit me up today on Instagram saying that they hit on those 404 Air Force Ones, and right underneath the screenshot he sent me, he put Secret Sauce. I already know, bro. I already know. And he was asking me if I wanted them. I had a chance at getting them, but I passed up on them because, you know, I didn't want them. But he made him a quick, what, $200 off that shoe just like that. He said he wanted $300 for him. By the time I could respond back, he already sent back sold. So he made his money back just like that off of 1 shoe. Tap into it today, man. They do have a wait list, but with the link that I have down below, it will bypass you of the wait list. You can get directly in using that link down below, man. That's the only way you can get in. Otherwise, you'll have to wait a couple months or so to get in. But tap into Secret Sauce. Use that link so you can get in and you can actually get you a pair of these to start off, of course, your savings of these for retail, man. So, hey, tap into Secret Sauce. And, yeah, I had to give y'all the spiel because leading into that, that is how I got my hands on these sold out shoes. Woo! Back to it. Right here, man, I did hit on a pair of these. I pretty much got the links to everywhere that was having them, and so I entered in, and of course one of the many places that I of course entered this in, I got accepted, and I caught that good old retail W. So I'm saucing on you. Retail $194. These are reselling for almost $300, man. So yes. Shout out to the sauciest of the sauce because I've been getting them dubs, dog. Bang, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought I had a spider or a bug on my box, but it is a mouse. It is a mouse arrow right there. You see it, you know what I'm saying? But as you can see, the box, it is an all over white box. It says A6 hidden. But yes, that's the box right there, y'all. You do got the H right here on this side. Everything else is pretty much like, you know, plain. On this side, you got A6, and you do have, of course, that number right there. But color blocking on this one, and size tag reads Gel NYC. Color blocking is white, jolly green. I went with a size mine on this one, y'all. Size mine on this one. Women's 10.5. But size mine on these, hopefully they fit true to size, because this is my first time owning a pair of gels. But upon doing my research, it said that they fit true to size. But popping open the box, you do got a little info right there. It does say hidden. You got the A6 up above it, and it does also say past, present, and future. Manhattan, New York, designed and manufactured by A6 in collaboration with Hidden to the highest standards through a synthesis of form and function. So yes, it says that in English, and then it might have it said in another language right below it. But below that, we do have the shoes, and your boy did secure a pair of the Hidden A6, the NYC joints, man. We can keep it upside down for that good old bang, y'all. Yes, sir, man. So if you guys watched my This Week in Sneaks about 2 weeks ago, this was on my radar. No, I wasn't gonna take a L, because I did, like I said, I set up all my notifications on Secret Sauce, and I put in all the entries where they sent me the places that was gonna be having them, and of course I walked away with that good old dub. So yes, sir, these right here, my first pair of Asics, and they are, oh nah, I got some more Asics. This ain't my first pair, I'm tripping. Bang, y'all. So here we have them, y'all, the Asics Hidden Gel NYCs, man. So very, very discreet, small, subtle hits that separate this from your regular Gel NYC. Of course, towards the back on the left shoe, they're not the same on both shoes, but on the left shoe, we do got the Hidden logo, y'all. Hidden, of course, is I want to say it's a boutique. It's a boutique that is located in New York, and they've been doing their thing, man. I actually ordered a couple, pieces. You know your boy Jay, look, socks and swaps is what I do. It already came with some extra laces, so I did order me some socks to go with these shoes. And comment down below, should I put them all together? But let me show you the socks. Bang! Now you know I had to, man. Cop the socks with the H's on them, man. So of course it's the Hidden socks. It got the same logo on it, y'all. So I do have the socks to go with the shoes. But man, you know what I'm saying? This is just that different swag, man. That grown, you know what I'm saying, swag. You want to do something different. It don't gotta always be Jordans, man. I'm trying to get up out of that, man. So yeah, I'm swagging it out a little bit different for 2024 and beyond. But these right here are clean. I am very, very happy to have gotten my hands on these, and I paid retail, of course. You know what time it is, man. But of course it comes with the gray laces. I gotta keep them white. Gotta keep them white, keep them simple, keep them clean. And it, of course on the tongue too, it does have the two logos. You got the A6 and the Hidden NYC logos. But comment down below, how do you feel about the Hidden NYC gel joints, man? These I think are clean, y'all. And like I did tell you, I do have another pair of A6 Hype Beast A6, that is. I still haven't worn them yet, but I do still have my my gallery department, man. My gallery department A6 still dead stock, y'all. I'm just waiting on the right fit, waiting on the right summer day, y'all. But gallery department A6 is you know what I'm saying, what I do have outside of these. So you know, I'm a little A6'd up, you know, a little hype beast style. But you know, this is what I do. I like shoes that everyone else won't be wearing, man. You know, and I do throw a couple of GRs in there just to show people that shoes that sit still can be rocked, you know what I'm saying, the right way. But yeah, man, both pairs right here. Of course, like I said, I plan on rocking these soon. But comment down below, what are your thoughts on these? You know, how you feel about them? You got the gel written on the back right there. But clean, man, clean pair of A6. Y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions on them. And outside of that, man, I gave y'all the sauce, I gave y'all the info. I told y'all how you can get a pair of these for the retail, man. But comment down below, the link is in the description. Tap in. Your boy Jay is gone. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all are copping this week, and are you mad about the W on shoes, as well as are you mad at the pushback of the Diamond Turst? But yeah, y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Peace.